Hi everybody, I'm back with more Mars anomalies and artifacts looking at strange objects spotted in Darwin. Going back to this photograph we analysed a while ago called Pattern Ground in South Noachis Terra, acquired on the 12th of June 2007 at 25 centimeters per pixel. And there's a crop from the low-res black and white to give you an idea of what the terrain looks like. The objects we're looking at are scattered about in this area over there. Located in the southern mid-latitudes, 57.95 degrees south, 345.27 degrees east. And it's in an area just east of Darwin, that circular depression over there. And it's where I found that large solitary disk. There it is zoomed out, not to scale, to give an idea of how out of place this object looks. And there it is 1:1 scale, about 10 meters in diameter. And the close-up reveals it has a dome-like feature in the center. So let's look at some of the others that I've found recently. Got this triangular object at the bottom, and on top of it another what looks like a disc-like object there, and to the left another smooth disc-like object as well. The one side of that triangular object is about 12 meters in length. If we zoom up close we can see the triangular base over there and what looks like a little disc on top, and a little triangular feature in its center, and then another disc-shaped object to the left. If you look at this part, it looks as if it's slightly raised above the surface, as well as over there. I don't know what that could be, folks. This object over there is about 8 meters across, and it's got a little rectangular opening on the one side. And it looks as if this piece over here to the bottom might have fitted into that opening over there. Not quite sure, but that measures about 4 meters by 3 meters. And check that out, folks. You can see two flat sides to it, the rectangular opening, and that there looks like another disc, may I dare to say so, with a little dome on it. So could this be some type of container or wreckage? Check this out, another one of these square base objects with a little object on top, and each side of this square base is about 10 meters in length. Look at that there, another one of these oval shaped objects lying across the center, and then here to the left looks like that there might be a rectangular opening. I've featured many of these types of anomalies in previous videos as well. Another common design feature on Mars. Check out this disk. It's about 8 meters in diameter, and it's got a little rectangular part on the one side. Get the rounded part to the right, well-defined edge to it. I wonder what that is. It's almost like some type of fossilized shell, perhaps. Right, then an odd piece over there that measures about 4 by 8 meters, and on top of it we've got two smaller parts. This looks like a donut shaped hole, maybe even another one of these eyes that have been carved into it, and then on the other side a little dome-like feature. Very strange. some symmetry and geometry in this piece as well. Another one of these objects measuring about 8 by 8 meters, and it's got a little square object on the top. Look at the straight sides, parallel edges, and right angles to it. Through the center line, we've got a little dome-like feature to the left. Here we've got a piece that's a little bit larger, about 12 by 12 meters, and it's got a rounded side to it and a little triangular part on the top. Yeah, we'll zoom in on this pile of rubble over there, and that little triangular object is about 8 by 8 meters. Check this out. Got smooth, bright surface to it, and then a semicircular part in the center. That piece over there, it's got a hollowed out side to it, a conical indentation. There's a part that's lying across that one over there. Wonder if that's a piece of pipe. Various other parts. As I say, this looks like debris or ruins. Who knows what this is? Right, so let's head down to the southern mid-latitudes and take a look at this area of Mars. We analysed this photograph over there, patterned ground in South Noachis Terra. There's the disk that I featured in a previous video, and then these strange objects we just checked out. In the area just to the east of Darwin. Let's have a look at some of the other anomalies around here just briefly. Huge triangular object, the little feature or protrusion in its center, and I found 2 or more of those in other JP2s. I got a strange little dome-like object there that looks like an opening. Here's another one of those square base structures with a little part on the top. Another one of these little discs next to what looks like an opening on that object. Right, so let's see. I want to go through all of these again. This looks almost like a little jet. Check out the delta-shaped wings and the tail at the back. Not that it is, guys and girls, but who knows what that is. And that piece is about 20 meters across. And there we've got a disc with smaller parts on top. Look at the straight edges and right angles there. More layered objects over here. Straight edges and right angles as well. Get the bevel cut into it there, parallel to this side. And then down here, let's just check out what we got there. That looks like a huge fossilized bone. Strange little craft maybe. The delta shape to it. Fuselage in the middle. Not that that is a craft, but it does look very symmetrical and geometric in shape. Very strange object that. Got like a triangular shape covered in sand and dust. Right, let's have a look at 1 or 2 more. This is where I found these disc-shaped objects as well. Maybe they could even be sunlight collectors pointing in the same direction. And there we've got 2 as well. Same shape and size, also pointing in the same direction. And this is where I found those strange surface features carved into the Martian surface. Looks almost like some type of city ruins. Get the rectangular shapes. We've got parallel sides and right angles. Looks almost like got interconnecting roads and things over there as well. Alrighty, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it informative and interesting. Do let me know, guys and girls, what you make of these in the comments below again, please. I'll chat to you soon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.